Howdy, welcome back to the homestead. Today we're going to be making keto garlic parmesan asparagus fries. This is a new recipe. We've never made it. Found it online, looked good, so we figured we'd try it, and why waste a good opportunity for a video. So we've already done some of the work. It calls for crushed pork rinds. We already ground those up, and we've already trimmed the bottom couple inches of the asparagus off.
And rinsed
and rinsed them off.
So to begin with, you preheat your oven to 400 degrees, and you take your baking sheets and you cover them with tinfoil and then spray them with whatever non-cooked cooking spray that you would like to use. And you have, after that, in the first bowl, you'll whisk together 3 eggs. I'll get this open. Then you're going to do 2 tablespoons of heavy whipping cream.
Drop the whisk in the eggs.
So 2 tablespoons of heavy whipping cream. And 1 tablespoon of whatever oil that you like to use. Again, we're using avocado.
Always with the avocado.
And then you mix that until it's thoroughly blended. And then in another container, you put 2 cups of crushed pork rinds, half a cup of grated Parmesan cheese,
I go let the dog out.
1 tablespoon of teaspoon of pepper, sorry. Half a tablespoon of paprika.
Does your dog ever bark to go out, and then you open the door and it just stands there and looks at you like, what am I supposed to do with that? Dogs are so silly.
And then 1 tablespoon of garlic pepper, or garlic powder. And then just mix those together. So it makes a complete blend where everything's mixed good. Now you take the asparagus, dip it into the egg wash, and then dip it into the dry rub. I'm just gonna get in the egg rub first.
Stirring it up.
We really like to eat asparagus, so finding new ways to eat it is always fun. Especially like Chad said in the video about the zucchini chips. We like crunch, so if this can give us a little bit of a crunch, it'd be even better.
Right.
Yeah. Then lay it on the baking sheet.
Then cream. No.
And once you get them all laid out on the baking sheet, you'll cook them for 12 minutes. And hopefully we have some crunchy, almost like fries.
Yeah, so this is going to be our second attempt at making something resembling a French fry. The first was avocado fries. They turned out really good. But for the amount that you end up with, a lot of work and kind of expensive. So hopefully this turns out, because asparagus is pretty cheap and pork rinds are pretty cheap, and that's the two main ingredients.
Yeah.
Alright, so we're going to finish getting these put out on the trays and get them in the oven, and we'll bring you back and show you what they look like at the end. Alright, so after we got all the asparagus coated and laid out on the tray, we've got quite a bit of the egg wash mix left and quite a bit of the pork rinds. I keep forgetting the pork rinds. Quite a bit of the pork rinds left, and I had some jalapenos, so I just cut them into strips, and we're going to try that right alongside the asparagus. So either it's going to be great, or it's going to ruin the asparagus, or it's going to make everything spicy and nobody's going to want to eat it but me, or I don't know. We'll find out. So just going to do these exactly the same way as the other ones and toss them on the same pan as the other ones.
I've liked jalapenos stuffed with like cheese and wrapped in bacon before, so
yeah,
I might like these. We will see.
So just a quick addition.
Adding some
Now
jalapenos to it.
We'll bring you back at the end. Alright, we've got our asparagus and jalapenos out of the oven. They look really good. It took 10 minutes longer than it said.
Was it 10 minutes?
Maybe 5 minutes longer.
I messed up by the timer on it.
It was really good.
I like these.
Could use salt, but I guess that depends on what type of
Pork rinds?
pork rinds you use.
I like these a lot.
So I will leave a link in the description to where we found this recipe. It's not original. Using it on the jalapenos was original. Let's try that. You don't want to try it? You already did.
Yeah, I burned my mouth up before the video started.
Jalapeno is really good. Definitely try this with jalapenos. But don't forget to check the description for a link to the full recipe, and leave a comment, a like, share this video on your Facebook, and subscribe. I've seen from the analytics that 70% of the views that we have are from non-subscribed viewers, so please subscribe. We're at 74. It's been
2 months.
yeah, just over 2 months and we got to 74, so let's keep going up. Anything else? All right, God bless you, and we'll see you on the next one. Howdy, welcome back to the homestead. Today we're going to be making keto. Dang it. Howdy, welcome back to the homestead. Today we're going to be making Parmesan. What?
Keto Parmesan.
Howdy, welcome back to the homestead. Today we're going to be making keto garlic Parmesan asparagus fries. Yeah.
No.
Howdy, welcome back to the homestead. Today we're going to be making keto garlic Parmesan asparagus fries.